Hello guys, Tesla holiday update number 2024.44.25 introduces a new indicator while navigating with Autopilot in Europe. Tesla new icon indicating which lane you can change, and this 4-state icon shows which lane changes are available, such as right+left, right, left and none. Around 1.5% of global Tesla fleet is getting holiday update number 24.44.25.2 right now from Apple Watch enhancement to Red Cross traffic alert. It controls set arrival energy at destination, light show and sentry mode and dash cam from app to several minor updates. So it's a great and comprehensive list of features. Check your car and app for more updates. Thanks to Tesla and happy holiday everyone.